Welcome to the House Lux Estate channel, your premier destination for business insights. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into a realm where technology meets security, the world of artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, used for fraud detection and prevention. In the dynamic environment of business, ensuring security and trust is paramount, but so is staying ahead of those who aim to disrupt it. That's where AI comes into the picture. An increasingly popular tool, AI provides a sophisticated and efficient way to safeguard your business from fraudulent activities. It's not just about catching the fraudsters anymore, but predicting and preventing fraudulent attempts even before they occur. So how can this cutting-edge technology be harnessed to fortify your business? That's exactly what we're here to explore. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of using AI for fraud detection and prevention. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand what AI is and how it relates to fraud. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that involves creating machines and software capable of intelligent behavior. Think of it as the science of making things smart. It's about programming computers to mimic human intelligence, learning from experiences, and making decisions based on the data it collects. Now let's take a moment to grasp the concept of fraud in business. Fraud is a deception deliberately practiced with the aim of gaining an unlawful or unfair advantage. It manifests in various forms in business, from payroll fraud to inventory theft, from financial statement fraud to bribery and corruption. The impact of fraud on businesses is monumental. It not only causes financial loss, but also damages a company's reputation, which can be even more costly in the long run. It's like a silent storm that can sweep away years of hard work and achievements in a flash, leaving businesses in shambles. But here's where the magic happens. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, can be a formidable tool in detecting and preventing fraud. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict fraudulent activities. It's like having a super intelligent, sleepless sentinel keeping a hawkeye on your business operations around the clock. AI's capabilities extend beyond just detection. It can also provide predictive analysis, flagging potential fraud risks before they occur. It's like having a crystal ball that not only tells you what's happening now, but also gives you a sneak peek into the future. With this understanding, we can now delve into how AI comes into play in fraud detection and prevention. You see, it's not just about having advanced technology, it's about leveraging it to safeguard our businesses, our livelihoods, and ultimately our dreams. After all, as business owners, that's what we're really protecting, isn't it? Implementing AI in your business for fraud detection and prevention involves a series of steps. Let's delve into the process, step by step, to get a clearer picture of how AI can become your business's best ally in combating fraud. The first step is data collection. This is the foundation of any AI system. It's like fuel for a car. Without it, the car simply won't run. Businesses need to collect data related to transactions, customer behaviors, and previous instances of fraud. This data can come from many sources: transaction records, customer databases, online activities, and even social media platforms. It's the raw material that will feed your AI system, enabling it to learn and understand patterns of fraudulent behavior. Next, we have data pre-processing. Think of this step as cleaning and organizing your data. Raw data can be messy, filled with missing values, inconsistencies, and errors. Pre-processing involves cleaning the data and transforming it into a format that can be easily understood by an AI system. This step is crucial because the quality of your data directly impacts the accuracy of your AI model. Once your data is prepped and ready, we move on to model training. This is where the magic of AI really starts to shine. In this step, the AI model is fed the pre-processed data and begins to learn from it. Using machine learning algorithms, the model identifies patterns and relationships within the data. It learns to distinguish between legitimate and fraudulent transactions based on these patterns. This step is iterative, meaning the model constantly learns and improves with each cycle of training. Now that we have a trained model, it's time to test it. Model testing is like the final exam before graduation. The model is given new data that it hasn't seen before, and it's tasked with identifying fraudulent transactions within this data. This step allows us to evaluate the performance of the model and fine-tune it further if necessary. It's all about ensuring that the model can accurately detect fraud in real-world scenarios. Finally, we have model deployment. Once the model has passed the testing phase, it's ready to be deployed in the real world. it's integrated into the business's systems where it can start monitoring transactions and flagging potential fraud. But the work doesn't stop here. The model needs to be continuously monitored and updated as new data comes in. This ensures that it stays effective even as fraudsters evolve their tactics. This may sound like a lot, but don't worry. The beauty of AI is that once it's set up, it does most of the work for you. It tirelessly monitors transactions, learns from new data, and adapts to new patterns of fraud. It's like having a dedicated fraud detective working for your business around the clock. It's important to note that while AI is a powerful tool for fraud detection and prevention, it's not a silver bullet. It should be used in conjunction with other fraud prevention measures. This includes maintaining strong internal controls, fostering a culture of ethics and integrity, and providing regular training to employees on how to spot and prevent fraud. By following these steps, you can effectively use AI to detect and prevent fraud in your business. Remember, implementing AI for fraud detection is not just about protecting your business from financial loss. It's also about protecting your reputation, maintaining the trust of your customers, and ensuring the long-term success of your business. So, take the first step today and start harnessing the power of AI to safeguard your business against fraud. Now that we know the steps, let's look at why you should consider using AI for fraud detection and prevention. Artificial intelligence brings a fresh perspective to the world of fraud detection and prevention. It's not just about catching the bad guys anymore, it's about staying ahead of them. Firstly, AI can save your business a significant amount of money. Fraud is expensive, and traditional methods of detection can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. AI, on the other hand, can perform complex tasks at lightning speed, reducing the cost of fraud detection and prevention. Secondly, AI increases accuracy in fraud detection. Traditional methods can result in false positives, which can be costly and damaging to customer relationships. AI uses machine learning to analyze patterns and detect anomalies, reducing the chances of false alarms. Thirdly, AI can enhance customer trust. In a world where data breaches are becoming increasingly common, consumers are looking for businesses that take security seriously. By using AI to prevent fraud, you're showing your customers that you're committed to protecting their data. Moreover, AI provides a proactive approach to fraud detection. It doesn't just wait for fraud to happen, it actively looks for signs of fraudulent activity. This means you can stop fraud before it happens, protecting your business and your customers. Indeed, the benefits of using AI for fraud detection and prevention are immense. To wrap up, we've navigated the promising landscape of artificial intelligence in combating fraud. We've learned the steps to effectively leverage this technology, from data collection to predictive analysis. Remember, integrating AI into your fraud detection and prevention strategy not only fortifies your business against potential threats, but also enhances operational efficiency. The future of business security is here, and it's powered by AI. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the House Lux Estate channel for more business insights.